it's maths time again, and our number of the week this week is number 8. We've been learning all about number 8. So I think we're going to start counting to number 8. So let's go. Hands up high, hands down low, hands in the middle, get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got to number 8. Let's have a look where number 8 is on the number line. Can you have a look? Can you point at it? Did you point to this number? That's number 8. So let's count to number 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more than 8 is 9. One less than 8 is 7. And when we do more, the number gets bigger, so we always go this way, because on a number line the numbers get bigger this way. When we do less, it means the number gets smaller, so we go this way, because going this way on the number line the numbers get smaller. So one more is this way, number 9. One less is this way, which is number 7. We're doing number 8 today, aren't we? So shall we first of all have a go at writing number 8? So what we do, we go around the loop and down and up the loop and up. Around the loop and down, up the loop and back. Okay, so around the loop and down, around the loop and up. Around the loop and down, around the loop and up. Around the loop and down, around the loop and up. I have written, and I hope you have written, number 8. So I've got my number 8 number block here. It's very funny, doesn't he? Number 8. So before we do anything at first, before that, we're going to have a look at how we can count to number 8 in 2s. So I've got my number 8 Numicon piece here, and I've got some 2 pieces. So we're going to count to number 8, not in ones, not like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to count in 2s. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and I'm going to put a 2 there, and I'm going to put a 2 there, and I'm going to put a 2 there. And it's the same, just so you can see, it's the same as 8. And then we can start counting in 2s. So we can, oopsie, dear me, that's not very good, is it? So we can count in 2s. We can say 2, 4, 6, 8. We've counted in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. We've started to learn to count in 2s. Now if you wanted to, you can count in 2s. You could get pennies. You could count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. You can count in 2s. So you could do that with anything you find at home, and I wonder if you could draw that somehow on your poster. Have a think about how you would show me that you've been counting in 2s, only to number 8 though. Don't go higher than number 8. So, can you show me number 8 on your fingers? Show me a way to make number 8. I'm going to do 4 and 4. 4 and 4 makes 8. Or can you show me a different way? 1, 2, 3, go! I've got 5 and 3. 5 and 3 make 8. Okay. We've also been working out what numbers go together, what 2 numbers go together to make 8. So we've got a 6 and a 2 is the same as 8. Or a 5 and a 3 is the same as 8. I wonder if you can find some different ways to make 8. We've also been splitting number 8. So like we do every week, we've been splitting number 8 and having a look what two numbers go together to make number 8. So in this tower, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this tower, I've got 1, 2, 3. So 5 add 3 is 8. And again, we can write that in our part-whole model. So we had 5 and we had 3. 5 add 3 equals 8. And we do tend to repeat and do lots and lots of the same things because for young children they need to be repeating and doing this for every number so that it starts sinking in and they start learning about numbers, and then it becomes second nature what two numbers go together to make different numbers. And it helps them if they've got the grounding to numbers to 10 what two numbers go together. It then helps when they do bigger numbers, and it helps with multiplication. So we've got 5 add 3 equals 8. Wonder how many different ways you can split 8 and how many part-whole models you can make for number 8. Do our tens frame. And let's put 8 in. Right, and 8 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can see it and see here the relationship of 8 to 10. So to make 8, we've coloured in 8 spaces, but if we wanted to make 10, we'd have to colour 2 more spaces. So actually from this, we've actually learned something about number 10. The 8 add 2 is 10. So those are all different things that we have been doing. I'd also like you to do some subtraction. I'm going to do 8 take away 5 equals. And you can do that on your fingers. Have 8 and take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're left with 3. So 8 take away 5 is 3. So those are all different things that you can do with number 8. I've got my minion back. And he wants to share number 8. He wants some 8 cubes. I'm just going to give him the 8 cubes. Is that right? Is that right? No, because I haven't got any. I've got 0. Like 0 on our number line. 0 means nothing. I've got 0. I've got none. And my minion has got 8. Is that fair? No, it's not, is it? He needs to give me some. So you can work out how many, if you shared my 8 cubes, how many would the minion have and how many would I have? And we have to have the same. The other thing we've investigated with number 8 is amazing because we know that double 4 makes 8. So double 4 makes 8. So there's lots of ways to investigate 8 this week. Enjoy your investigation of 8. Bye-bye.